Hey everybody, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to add content to your iDjango homepage. You're going to begin to realize how easy and how powerful it is to use the iDjango portal. We're going to go ahead and dive right in, and I'm going to go to my nephew's page, and we're already on the news tab. And you notice I don't have much in here, and I'd like more news, so I'm simply going to go to add content. Now there's a few ways you can add widgets. Two of the main ways is you can either click on the widget, and by doing that you could get to inspect the widget, and you get to check it out, play with it, and check the pages out. And if you like what you see, you can simply click add to my page. Once you do that, it automatically adds it to your page. Now another way to add widgets to your page is by dragging and dropping, which means you click on the widget and you hold your mouse down and you drag it down until you see that dotted line. Once you see that dotted line, you let it go. I'll do that again for you. We click, we drag, and we drop. Guys, it's just that simple. Now you'll notice that I've got 2 news weeks. Well, I don't need 2 news weeks, I need 1, so I'm going to delete 1. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a comparison. I'm going to edit this widget, and you'll notice in the header bar there's lots of tools. This is a collapse button. If I'd like to collapse it, I can. If I'd like to expand it, I can. If I'd like to change the color of the header to highlight it so that it stands out for me, I can click this options button and scroll down and pick a color. I'll pick the orange. It's not drastic, but it does highlight it. If your widget's not acting right, it's not loading, it's not it's not showing the content like it should be, or it's not working properly, you can simply click the refresh button. Now, if this refresh button doesn't work, you simply need to go to your refresh button for your browser or your reload the page button for your browser, and all your widgets will reload. Now, I see 3 news headlines, and maybe I'd like to see more, or I'd like to reconfigure the way this widget looks. So I'm going to click the edit button. Number of items to display. Well, you notice there's 3 headlines on this, and I'd like to see 5 headlines. So I'm going to scroll down to 5 and simply click OK. When the widget reloads, you'll now notice that I have 5 headlines showing, and it shows them on every single tab. 5 headlines. Now, let's say I want to view it in a magazine style or thumbnails. I just want to see a different view. So again, I'm going to click Edit, and you're going to see View. What I'm going to do is click on there and scroll to Magazine, and then click OK. Once I do that, it's going to show you these thumbnails in a magazine style widget. Now, like I said, we've got 2 news weeks, and I need to get rid of 1. I'm simply going to go to this X right here to close it out. I click close. Now don't be scared when you see delete forever. All this is going to do is delete it off your page forever. You can always drag it back to your page from the add content button whenever you'd like. Or simply click the delete forever button, and you'll notice it deleted that news week. Now I've got this hole and I'd like to fill up. I'm going to move the news week. Once you see the crosshairs, you can simply move it. And I want to move my USA Today to the top. You notice the crosshairs and the dotted lines. I'm going to move that. Another great feature within your page is you can expand and contract the widgets how you see fit. If I'd like to shrink Newsweek and increase USA Today, I could simply do so by dragging this separator bar between the widgets left to right, and I can expand these widgets. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for joining us on how to add content to your iDjango homepage.